astronomers last week. It could be the oldest comet ever seen.
It's supposed to be at least 33 billion tons worth of mass because we don't see it recoiling as it's losing mass to
July 1st, 2025. Not just another date on the calendar, but the day a powerful telescope high above the Hawaiian sky detected something extraordinary. The Atlas telescope had spotted a mysterious object moving through the depths of our solar system. A glowing, fast-moving visitor that no one had ever seen before. At first, it looked like just another comet. But as data poured in, it became clear this was no ordinary comet. This was something from far, far beyond. It was named 3I Atlas, the third interstellar object ever detected by humanity. And since that day, it has captured the imagination of scientists and space lovers around the world. 3I Atlas is not from our solar system. It's an interstellar comet, a traveler from another star, launched across space millions of years ago, and now passing through our cosmic neighborhood. The name 3I stands for Third Interstellar, following the first two, Oumuamua in 2017 and Borisov in 2019. Unlike most comets that were born alongside our sun, 3I Atlas comes from an entirely different world, a system with its own star, planets, and chemistry. That's what makes it so special. It's a physical message from another solar system. Comet, where did it come from? Scientists believe 3I Atlas was ejected from a distant, dying star system after a powerful gravitational event, perhaps a collision between planets, or a close encounter with a massive star. It may have wandered through interstellar space for millions, maybe billions of years, before drifting close enough to be caught by our telescopes. In other words, this comet could be older than Earth itself, a frozen piece of another world, passing us by for just a brief moment in cosmic time. No, not at all. NASA has confirmed that 3I Atlas' trajectory will keep it millions of miles away from Earth. It poses zero collision risk. However, it's moving incredibly fast, around 60 kilometers per second, much faster than any spacecraft we've ever built. Even if it came close, its speed alone would carry it safely past us, long before Earth's gravity could touch it. So, while it's a fascinating visitor, it's not a dangerous one. Gear, why does it contain nickel alloy? This is where things get truly fascinating. Spectroscopic studies by Atlas and other observatories found traces of nickel alloy in the comet, a metallic compound that's extremely rare in typical comets. Comets are usually made of ice and dust, but nickel alloys form only under high temperatures, deep inside asteroids or planetary cores. That means 3I Atlas may have formed much closer to its original star, in a region so hot that ice melted and metals fused together. In short, it was born in a very different environment than anything we've seen in our own solar system. That's one reason scientists are so intrigued. This object carries the chemistry of another sun. Its closest point to the sun, sometime between April and July 2026. At that moment, it will be roughly 0.9 astronomical units from the sun, almost the same distance as Earth. If its brightness holds, people on Earth may be able to see it with the naked eye or small telescopes, a faint greenish-blue streak across the sky. But as with all comets, its visibility depends on how active it becomes. As it nears the sun's heat, ring planet how is it different from Oumuamua? When scientists discovered Oumuamua in 2017, they were baffled. It was long, flat, and moved strangely, with no visible tail or gas activity. That mystery led some to suggest it might be artificial, a probe or fragment from another civilization. However, is different. It clearly shows outgassing jets and a visible tail, classic signs of a natural comet. So, while it shares Oumuamua's interstellar origin, Its behavior proves it's made by nature, not technology. Shooting star, what does anti-tail and non-gravitational acceleration mean? Normally, a comet's tail always points away from the sun, pushed by solar wind and radiation. But 3I Atlas surprised scientists. It showed an anti-tail, a faint streak that appeared to point toward the sun. This happens when dust particles of different sizes spread unevenly around the comet, creating optical illusions based on perspective and sunlight. Non-gravitational acceleration, on the other hand, means the comet isn't moving, exactly as gravity predicts. Instead, gas and vapor escaping from its surface act like tiny rocket thrusters, gently pushing it off course. This tells us the comet is still active, alive with chemical reactions, not just a dead rock drifting through space. Telescope are telescopes or missions studying it. Yes, NASA, the European Space Agency, ESA, and several major observatories around the world are tracking closely. The James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, and Very Large Telescope, VLT, in Chile, are analyzing its composition, try to learn what elements and minerals it contains. Because it's moving so fast, no spacecraft can catch up with it now. But future missions like ESA's Comet Interceptor are being designed specifically to study unexpected visitors like this one. I wondered, how can people see it? If you live in the Northern Hemisphere, there's a chance you might spot 3I Atlas in May or June 2026, just before sunrise or after sunset. It may appear as a soft blue-green streak near the eastern horizon, but only if it remains bright enough. Either way, telescopes and cameras around the world will capture its passing, giving humanity another glimpse into the endless wonders of deep space. Milky Way conclusion. 3I Atlas is a reminder that our solar system is not isolated. It's part of a vast living galaxy filled with travelers, drifters, and cosmic mess. This comet has journeyed across light years of emptiness to appear briefly in our skies before vanishing forever into the dark. But in that brief visit, it's shown us something profound, that beyond our sun, beyond our planets, there are countless other worlds, each with their own stories waiting to be told. This is the story of 3I Atlas, the stranger from the stars.